I get it. English verb tenses are complicated, and there are a lot of them, but you won't need all of them to do well on a speaking exam. There are 12 verb tenses, but only 5 are commonly used in spoken English. These 5 tenses make up about 95% of spoken English. So, when do we use them and why? First, present simple is used for routines and habits. Whenever you use words like usually, always, sometimes, never, etc., to talk about routines, you should use present simple. He bikes to school every Monday. I always walk to work. We also use this tense for something that is always true. The sun sets in the west. Then there's past simple. This is for finished activities in the past.
He biked to school when he was a kid.
I prepared contracts for real estate sales at my first job.
Remember, there are also irregular past simple verbs. So make sure you practice those irregular verb forms. Future simple is for plans and intentions. I'm going to the supermarket tomorrow. In the future, I believe scientists will discover another planet like ours. My sisters will play professional tennis someday. Present continuous is used for an action happening right now. You're practicing verb tenses right now. The Earth is orbiting the Sun. Also, in a speaking exam, use this tense to describe a photo. We use present perfect to talk about activities that started in the past that continue to today. To form this tense, we use has or have plus the third form of the verb.
I've played piano since I was a child.
We often ask questions in this tense with the word ever.
Have you ever traveled to North America?
This is used to mean in your whole life, up to now. And you can answer in the same tense. Yes, I have. Then switch to past simple to discuss the actual event. Yes, I've traveled internationally twice in my life. 10 years ago, I visited Canada with my parents. Also, I spent 1 week in Japan last year with friends. It's a good idea to become familiar with all 12 tenses, but for speaking practice, focus on these 5. Good luck!